Hi, today I can show you a nice real estate website landing page. You can use this landing page for your professional projects. So this video will be very interesting. So let's get started. Okay, first we can create a new page and click Edit with Elementor. We can convert this design Figma to WordPress and Elementor. So you don't need any coding experience. Okay, first you can design the header section and just look the brand color. I can enable the developer mode and copy this color. This is the Elementor builder. See, we can click the corner button and go to the site settings. We can set some global color. I can add custom global color, real estate primary color should be this color, and this is the heading color. You can copy it. Real estate heading. Let's copy the small text color. So there are just on primary color, and another two is heading and normal font color. So this should be three colors. We can set it here. Text. Okay, just update. And the font family is DM Sans. You can go to global font and just replace the font family. Okay, and update. Sometimes there are different fonts like heading and normal text different fonts. So then we can just set the heading font uh, and let me show you practically. So this is the primary text, and text means the small font. If I can set a different font, it will show it here. Okay, first to let me design the header. I can set it as canvas layout. I will not use global header and footer because I'll create another tutorial in this same website, so I can do it here. So when you can create this design for your professional projects, you can just go to the template and click add new and set the header template from here. I hope if you know Elementor, you will easily do it. So there have three column. We can take here like that. Let's turn off the developer mode and I can check the container width. It's 120 to 1200 pixel, and yeah, 1200 pixel. Okay, this should be also okay. So we can use 1220 pixel. Why I use 20 pixel extra? Because default container padding is left 10 pixel and right 10 pixel, so total should be 20 pixels. So if I can use 1200, then the main container width should be 1180 pixel. So I can just use 1220 pixel. Okay, now I can export the logo. Export is busy. Okay, and set, we can use image also. Okay, just upload the logo and insert it here. The image island should be left. Let's go to the design. Okay, and this is the main navigation. I already create the navigation. I can just drag the nav menu. Okay, and it's a real estate navigation. Okay, let me check the font style. 999 and 16 normal. Okay, 16 normal and 400. 16 normal, 400. Okay, and the space is 56 pixel. So first we can set the pointer none and can make it follow it for mobile. Okay, let's set the horizontal padding 0 and vertical padding 5 pixel, and space between should be 56. Okay, and the text color real estate text, we already set this global color, and hover color should be real estate primary. So if I can hover, should be change the color. Okay, there are one thing we see normal text is more lighter than the hover text. So hover text is something bolder. So this option by default not enabled in the Elementor. So we can use a small custom CSS like selector a hover font with 600. Okay, important. Okay, update. Very smooth animation, and it's Okay, so you can set the align center. Just click the main container and align items, also it should be center. Yeah, always you should need to set the logo URL, custom URL, and dynamic tag site URL, so it will be redirect to the website homepage. So this something small you can set here. Set a width, let's check the width from here. 74 pixel. Okay, or we can increase the width 90. Okay, and now sign in and sign up button. Let's drag a button first. Sign in. Okay, should be 16 normal, 400. Okay. 16 400 and line height also normal. You can set the padding 0 and background should be transparent. The text color is this global color. Also self align should be int, because these two buttons are start from the right side, so I set it int. Also we can we can just duplicate this button and customize it. Font size is 14 pixel, 14, and the background should be this primary color and text should be white. Let's check the padding. It should be 11 and 32. 11 and left right 32. Okay, that's the border radius. It's around 10 pixel. Let's update the text. Sign up. Okay, now we can just set this inner container and direction should be horizontal. Also justify content int align items center. Okay, then an issue should be middle, self align should be middle. Okay, and this self aligned, can set it also middle, and check the space is 40 pixel. So there are two options to make the space here. On is margin, left right margin for this button, or another is column space, row gap. This is the better option. We can set it 40 pixel and update. Now we can make it responsive. Let's go to tablet, and now need to increase this column width. This column width I have 20 pixel is enough, and this should be 30 pixel, sorry, 30%, and this you can set percentage 50%. Okay. I have can reduce the to 40 and make it 60%. Sorry, I'm not sure how's going. 20, 40, 60. It should be 40%, but it's still still need to reduce 30%. Yeah, 30% is okay. Should be and now we can just set the toggle align right, toggle button. If you want, you can also change the toggle button from here, like bar or any other icon if you like this. Drop down. Let's design the toggle button first. I can just remove the background color, and the main color should be the primary color. Size, okay. If I can click here, it should be showing a drop down, and we can customize the drop down style. The text color is previous text color we use here, and background, our background should be primary, and the text color should be white. So it's working perfect. Update. In the mobile version, we can set the percentage 50% is 50%, and we can hide these two buttons on the mobile. Most of the time is these two buttons always hide, and it should be showing in the menu bottom. Like when user can click the mobile menu, it will show the bottom of this navigation text. So this is another advanced part. So then if we can make this mobile responsive, we need to use custom pop-up or a different menu with sign in and sign up a navigation link. So I will show you if you are interested with this type of tricky functionality. Just comment below. I will make this tutorial in future. So now okay, and can we have done, we already done it. I need to give some background color, like this type of light background color. I hope it will looks good. Yeah, okay. Update. Now we can make the hero section. there are two columns. So first take two column, container weight, and the first column should be 40 and second column 60%. Yeah, we can try it. Okay, try not if you want, you can download these two images particularly, and if you want also you can download these two images at a time, like grouply. So it's easy to use two images at a time, like just select and download the image. Let's do it. Or I can download the image separately. Left image, right image, and there are two shapes here. It should be SVG pattern. Okay. These icons already in the Elementor, but the Elementor icons are not this type of light icon. It will be bolder, so I can save it as SVG. Just save it. Okay. Yeah. Save. Okay, first we can design this section. This is the small heading. You can set it paragraph. Let's check the font size 16 normal. Okay. This is the primary color 16. Sorry, should be 500. Okay. Okay. So style normal 40 pixel. So we can use this heading on. So this is the main heading of this page. You should always use the main heading of the page with ace on tag, for this is required for SEO. You can set a custom width pixel. Let's use the heading color 40 pixel, should be 700. And what's the line height? 1.4. So percentage mean em, like you see here there are 140%. So 140% mean 1.40 em. You can calculate the line height like that. Let's increase the width. Okay, the space are already okay. They have no extra space by default. Okay, let's use a new paragraph and 14 normal 400. 1.7. Okay, 14 normal 1.7. Update. Let's set the width here 370. 300, sorry. Yeah, 72. Okay, there are already button designed. I can just copy and paste it here, or drag a new container, so it will help to align the button easily. Okay, make it start aligning. Let's check the font style. 14 500. 14 500. How's that? Okay, this should be also 500. So let's check. Okay, spacing is around 16 and 24. Should be 16 24. Okay, update the text here. Search now. Let's check the spacing 32. They have already seen 20 pixel gap already here. So I can just set the paragraph and margin bottom 10 pixel, 12 pixel. Okay, there should be border, but I see there have also a border, so I can set this part of border color solid on pixel, and it should be primary, and I can just duplicate this button and update the text. Sorry, background transparent text this color, and when anyone can hover this, I hope the text color should be white, and background this on border also this one, like that. Okay, and now we can set the inner container and direction should be right. Let's check the button space. It's 60 pixel. So you can use this gap 60. Just click update. Now use the images here, full width. Okay, on thing, need to drag. There are two images, so we can use two column container here. Duplicate it and select the parent inner container and set the direction horizontally. And I hope we can reduce the gap with 0. This container. Okay, now insert these two images here. This one. I just duplicate and update the image. Let's check the spacing, the top. Like if I can select this tool and I can just drag a rectangle for checking. It's around 110 pixel. I can just select this and keep 110 pixel. Now look the space. We need to reduce this column width to 36 or 35 and should be 65. So total will be 100%. Okay, and the full sections vertically aligned should be center. So I can select that main container and align items, make it center and update. There are two shapes. Now I can set it here. Go to the background, select a background. I can upload all of the images. This is the first pattern, and the repeat should be no repeat. This is the top right position should be top right. Okay, we can use custom positioning, and it should be percentage. Like 87 and 6%. Okay, and there are new one. We can set it as a background overlay. Opacity should be on, otherwise the image will be will not clearly showing. We can use the same. Let's check, it's not in the center, so we can use custom positioning here also. And set the percentage. Repeat, we can set no repeat, and positioning is 100%. Let's check the padding. 63 and 33. Okay, we can just set the padding first. Let's check default padding. How much here? 30. So top padding already 30 pixel. So I can default padding should be 10 pixel, and we can just increase 3 pixel top, and bottom should be 30. 30 mean is already, sorry, 30 not, it should be 40. And let's check the space. Yeah, it's okay. I am using light shot to check the height width in the front end of the website. Okay. Oh, sorry. Now we can align the bottom icon. Yes. Yeah. Okay. I need to reduce the bottom spacing something. Okay. Now I can responsive. Let's increase the tablet mode percentage 32. Okay. You can just align the icons for tablet. Okay. In the tablet version, if we can set the column up and bottom, align content should be default is okay, and we can set the column percentage 100%. Then it will looks good. Yeah, like that. Okay. And mobile. Okay, mobile structure is okay. Just we can reduce the font size, heading font size, and spacing. Can reduce the spacing here also, and decrease the image size like 65%. If we can set like 2 column for these 2 images, I'm not sure how it will look, but let me try. Okay, like that. Just remove the spacing from here. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, again we can align the spacing, positioning, and image. Also you can see, make the image size smaller, like 50 pixel. Okay, and background overlay size 50 pixel. Okay, update. Now this is the shows us section. We can design it now. Okay, so there have already the small heading. We can just paste it here and align should be center, so it will save our time. And this heading, just copy and paste. Okay, it's default. Let's give some space. It's around 80 pixel. Set the default padding and set top 80 pixel. Let's keep the container width. Okay, every time consultation. Let's check the heading font size is 32 and everything is similar. 32. Let's make it mobile responsive also for this heading, because we will repeat this heading. This heading style mobile should be 28 or 25. Tablet is okay. Let's check the space. It's around 23 to 25. Okay, we can set the column gap 15 pixel or 10 pixel. You can use 15 pixel, so it will be okay. And there are 3 box. We can design on box and we will repeat it. For this one, you can just drag a new container and set it full width, because this is the inner container of the main container. And the we can set the padding 0, but we can keep it now. We'll do that later after complete this. Okay, I can set the this inner parent. This is the inner parent container, and if you can understand the pattern how you can manage the containers like inner containers, then you will easily do any type of layouts. This is the this is actually nice update. Elementor grid content Flixbox container. Okay, So we can select this and just set the direction horizontal, and it should be like that. And you see there are spacing 24 pixels, so we can set it 24. There have box shadow, I hope. Not sure is there any box shadow or not. Yeah, there have box shadow. Let me copy the box shadow color 1032 72. Okay, just go to border and box shadow. I can put the box shadow color. Again I forgot it. 1032 72. 1032 72, and border radius 10 pixel. Let's check the padding. I can just select this 24 bottom and 24 top, and left we can set left right also 24 pixel, because if the heading title is bigger then it will cover 24. Okay, and the background color should be white. Okay, now drag a icon and upload SVG. Okay, I can set this, and primary color, it should be transparent, and let's set the icon stack, and should be circle. Secondary color should be, sorry, okay, let's set the primary color. Secondary color should be not sure what's happening here. Copy this color, let's copy the background. Okay, okay, it should be like that. Yeah, right now the issue is padding, because this icon, not issue. 24 pixel. Okay, and padding 12 pixel padding. Update 20 normal 500. Let's track the heading. It's the heading color 20 500, and the line height should be normal. This is the text 14 normal 400 1.7. I can just copy and paste this title here, and now yeah, this is just update the text. Okay, default. Okay, let's check the spacing. It's 60 pixel, so I can set it 60 pixel and 500. Yeah, now I can make it mobile responsive. Then I will just repeat the boxes. It should be 80 pixel, and this is okay for mobile. Mobile is also okay. Now I can just duplicate this box 3 and remove the others. Okay, now update the contents. Update this one, update this also, and replace the icons. Okay. Update. Let's check the bottom space. 32. They have already 20 pixel bottom, so I can just increase. Increase to 12 pixel. Because previous was 10, I can just use 22. And yeah. This is the similar section here also, so you can do it easily. I can just download the image, export as a PNG. Okay, it works. Okay, I can just copy this and paste it here. Let's check the space. There are 2 columns. Just use 2 columns. 1220, 40%, 60%. Okay, or I can use 42 and 58. Yeah, copy and paste it here. Sorry, paste. What's the issue? Okay, okay. Now just set the width custom. Yeah, I see this box is fully similar to this box. I can just copy this box copy and paste it here. Just remove the icon and update the heading style. This heading style 24, normal 500. 24, normal 500. Copy, paste it here, left. Okay. Let's check the spacing, 24 pixel. So this should be 24. And this is spacing. Something you can, yeah, -5 pixel. Okay. Let's check the space. 40 pixel. There are already 24, or we can think it 20 pixel and just keep margin bottom 20. Again, duplicate this section 2 times and replace the heading. Done. Just update and use the image. You can always select image full width, then it will capture the actual resolution of the image. Okay, now I can select the main container and align center, and let's check the spacing. Okay, I can set some padding in the left like this, or reduce the column width. Yeah, update. We can make it 20 pixel, the tablet mode. And for better looking, just set the percentage 100%. This should be also 100%, and select the main container, and you should make the wrap, then it will go down based on the percentage. Okay, check how it looks. It's mobile. I can just ready make it full width, reduce the margin bottom, and mobile version is okay. There have no issue. Update. Okay, this is the this section is also easy for me. So it's something tricky we'll get learning. Okay, this is the blog post also. You can design it. I can just design the static sections. So when we not use dynamic design, then we need to use custom loops for these designs. I will make tutorials for this to make dynamic content. So if you like, you can comment this video and subscribe my channel to get this type of tutorials, and appreciate me, and I will inspire to make new videos. Okay, now we can design this section. Let's copy this section and paste it here. There are two columns, so I hope we can remove these inner columns, and there have an inner container. I can just add two container. Okay, and remove the padding of the inner parent container. Okay, and also there have nested column, like you can drag new container and duplicate it. Also make this container horizontally. Let's check the space is okay, 24 pixel. Insert 24, and outer padding also 24 pixel. So I can go here, save 24 pixel. Okay, now we can insert the image here. Let's check the size, height 256. If we can use a normal image, then there have an issue, like if the image size will not match for every section, then this card will not equal. So better to set the image as a background, like this left column background image we can set. Just let's select the main image and download. Okay, you can just download the images. Okay, just download the images. So let's upload. Okay, 256. This height should be 256 pixel, and weight is okay. We can keep the weight as it is. Let's check the border radius. Okay, it's 10 pixel border radius. Go to style, border should be 10 pixel. Now positioning the image center, repeat, no repeat, and display size should be covered. Okay, And yeah, we can we can set the padding 0 for this right column, and now to upload the icons, you can save the icon as is busy. Let's select this one. Okay, Wi-Fi. Export, it should be also as busy. Okay, now all elements are ready for this card design. Okay, we can use two buttons. First one, let's check the space and font size. Okay, CSS 16 page. 16 normal, color should be primary, and 8 and 16. 8 16 pixel, border radius you can get like that. Let's copy the background color. Okay, should update the text. We can use also these icons if we want. There are these two icons are same. We also use the SVG icon that we already uploaded. No problem. Okay, and gap should be also 16 pixel. For better layouting, we can just use a new container here and set the padding 0 and use it here as a navigation. Okay, I can just open the navigator for better understand. Select the column layout horizontally, and I can just duplicate this button, and the gap should be 16 pixels, so I can select the container and gap 16. Now just change the content and icon. Okay, the background color, this one. Okay, let's check. 12 pixel, and this one also 12 pixels, so you can reduce the font size. This is the heading 2700 1.6 em. You can just copy this heading and paste it here. Entry 700. Okay, we can give some space around 10 pixel. It's 24. We already have 20 pixels, so I hope it is not good. 24. I can use line height 1.6. Okay, and 16 normal 700. We can drag a new paragraph. Sixteen normal 700. Okay, okay, this is the list item. I can use icon list. Just remove the icon and use divider, and layout should be in line like that. 14 normal 400. Text 14 pixel normal and 400. Okay, divider height should be like that. Okay, and this is the color, double line. Okay, and there is the button show more details, so we can use this button here. I hope this is the same button. Show more details. This button full width, so if we can set justify, or can go here and just uncheck this on update. Let's give some space in the top like 10 pixel. Okay, and I hope this space, okay, spacing are okay. or we can make it 5 pixel. Update. Now give a box shadow. We can use the same box shadow, just go here, or let's copy it from here. Copy. 10, 32, 72. Okay. Box shadow. 10, 32, 72. And border radius 10 pixel. Update. Okay, now we can check the responsive. For tablet, it's better to make it full width. You can make wrap. This is the layout. It should be 100%. Okay, let's check the mobile. Mobile version is also okay. Just reduce the font size. Reduce the font size and spacing. Like they have column gaps. 10 pixel is enough. Okay, and this image height also like 22. Yeah, 22. Now we can just duplicate this section and remove it. Let's select the main container of this. This is the parent container for 2 columns. We can collapse, remove the collapse, and we can just duplicate this column container. And I hope it's working perfect now. Let's check. It's by default the color is white, so we can give the color again. Default background is not okay. Okay, now again we can duplicate wait, this one. Okay, we can duplicate these 2 times, and now just replace the contents. Just update the images. Let me do that. Okay, I just updated the image and titles, and now we can design the block section. Okay, there are 2 main column. You can just take left column is something bigger, like you can set the container width first, and this should be 53 and 47, or 55. Okay, 55 is okay. Now first you can take this image should be also a section background image. So first we can drag a new container here and set the background image like this image. No repeat, should be covered. Let's check the height, 508, set 508 pixel. Okay. And see, there are two shapes here. Like if we can drag a new image here and select the shapes. Let me this one, I think. Okay. Should be left. Okay. Margin left, margin left minus, and bottom minus. Yeah. And another image in the bottom. It should be right. So should be right, should be top, and the cell balance should be int. So now we should use Z index because these icons are showing upper of the image. Z index should be on. It's already go to the bottom. Okay. Now we can create this author box. So I can drag a author box. It will show the author information. So we should use custom details, and it will come from dynamic when using dynamic blog post here. Okay, I can set the image, and image size should be small, like 50 pixel or 47 pixel. 47. Update the name here and description. Image and text spacing 12 pixel. So I can set a gap around 12 pixel. Update 14, 500 normal. Text should be 14, 500 and normal. Name gap I can set 0. This is the title. 12 pixel normal, 400 width. Let's update the color. Okay, 12 pixel, 400 normal. Now vertical align should be default is okay, but issue the text gap. I hope we can set a line height to fix the width issue 1.8 and reduce the gap here. And you can set self align. Let's check the padding. 15 pixel. So there have already default padding in the bottom, so we can reduce the bottom padding like bottom, unlink this. Okay, we can use 2 pixel. See, there have some space, so we can select this container and set the padding 0. Now need to move it to the bottom, so it should be go to here and justify content should be int. Okay, and update this. Now we can use titles here. Should be 24 pixel. You can use this title. It should be 700. 1.66 and 700. Copy and paste. This is 14 pixel 4 and 1.7. We can just copy this text and paste here. Copy, paste. So there I will read more text. You can use it here. Just select, just select like this and make it bold. Also, for to change the color, I can give it style. Color should be, let's copy the color code. Update. Okay, in the similar way, I can just copy and paste. So let's check the font. This is the title. Okay, I can use this title, or I can use this title here. This one. And just update the text. Okay. There are some space. You see here. I see here the image of some border radius like 5 pixel. So you can give it first. Yeah, and this is the default padding. We can make around 50 pixel because here is almost, let me check it again, 32, checking the space like that, already 65 or 62. Yeah, okay. And top padding should be something like 15 pixel. This section shape, already we have this section shapes. We can just copy this container and paste it here, and we can modify it. Like first we can use image box, or we can use, two container. Okay, first I image box, then we can take the decision which option will be good. Border radius, sorry, ten pixel. Okay, the issue is if we can use image box, then the image size will be not equal, so better to use uh, columns. Like, just close this, you can drag and duplicate the two column, set it horizontally, and let's check the spacing. 16 pixel, you can set 16 pixel space here, and this also row gaps 16. Okay, I can use the percentage. Sorry, it will not work like that. You can just drag and make it like this. We can set the background image here, like, okay, I can set a random image to save time. Center, no repeat, cover, and the border should be 10 pixel. Let's check the height, 88 pixel. 88. I can set a space Okay. Let's use that content first, then we can check it. Should be covered. This 88. Okay. Copy the text and paste it here. Font size 16. 1.5. This is the color. 16. 500. 1.5. Okay. You can just copy this, paste it here. Let's check the font. 14400 on 7. 14400 on 7. Now reduce the space cause it's look more. You can just reduce the padding, and spacing should be 8 pixel. Okay. And make it mobile responsive. Go to here. We can make it should be 100%. This should be also 100%. Okay. And the space should be 10. Top should be 15. And the mobile, it's going to top, but I hope we can keep it left and right. That's mean the width like 30 pixel, 30 pixel, 30% and 70%. We can set it 100%, that's no issue, because it will depend on this container, this column. And I can just reduce the spacing to 10 and reduce the font size and this font size also. So should be 22. Eighteen pixel is okay. 1.2 or 4. Also you can reduce the height. Okay, give some space in the top for mobile. And now check the space 24. This should be 24. And just duplicate this section 3 times. Yeah. update. Okay, this section also done, and now we can just give some space, like 80 pixel. Okay, this is the testimonial section. We can use it Elementor testimonial wizard to complete this one. Now I can just copy this section again and paste it here. Okay, just remove this and update the content. Just copy the background. This is the background color. The space 48 pixel. You can select the top container, and bottom should be, you can just 50 pixel. It's okay. And this section padding yeah, 32 top and 32 should be bottom. Okay. Now I can search testimonial carousel. I hope it will work. Image should be above. Okay, image and name should be above. Image name and star also here. Screen. Also, let's check another testimonial. Reviews carousel, how it looks. Slide to scroll. Okay. Text. Border. Okay, I hope we need to use template, because these two testimonial are not. If we can use any Elementor add-on, then we can also do similar type of testimonial, but I am showing you how we can do most of the things by Elementor. So now I can create a template for the testimonial. So I can keep it, because I will use the shortcode here. So template shortcode here, then the template will be slide like that. So I can just remove this. Let's make the content normal. Okay, now I can go to the template, add new template. Should be section testimonial on. So first you can set the background color white, the border radius 10 pixel, border radius, go to border, it should be 10 pixel. Also there have an image, we can say it here, should be center, just upload. Okay, I can download this. Okay, I can download the image. And give some top margin like 27. Yeah, the title, copy this on, and this is the heading, you can use it here. The font size 12 medium, okay, should be 12, font width medium. The star, we can use Elementor star widget, star rating, make it center, just update the color. Okay, or if you want to use the same icon, you can just select the single on and export as SVG star and upload SVG. Insert, yeah, then it will be like that. Nice spacing. Okay, we can set spacing around, sorry, 5 pixel and size 15, 16 pixel. Okay, let's do the gap 10 pixel, 16, and we can use the top 6 pixel because they are already 10, and we can use 6, so total should be 16. And we can use this text again here, copy, paste, copy and paste it here. Let's check the line height. 1 second. Yeah, line height also okay. Let me check if there are any. Yeah, there are also box shadow. Like, you need to provide the box shadow, copy the color here and go to style, border, box shadow 10, 32, 72, publish. Okay, so no worries, we can when you can set the testimonial, then it will look like that. Now it's full width, this is not issue. And the bottom, we can set bottom pinning around 24 pixel, and and left right 38, 38, left and right. Let's check the mobile version. You can set mobile version left right 15, bottom also 15. Update. Now exit from here. So when you can build a single testimonial template, and you can just duplicate this template and use it in the slider. So I'm go to here and remove other ones and use the shortcut here. I just copy the shortcut from here and paste it here, and I can just duplicate two or three items. So you can just duplicate this template and update the content and use the shortcut, different shortcut in the different testimonial items. If I can preview, let me do some settings like slide preview 2 and slide 2 scroll should be 1. Also maybe they have no arrow, so you can just keep the dots and hide the arrow. Image resolution, okay. Pause on interaction, we can just pause on hover. Update. Okay, now scroll down. You can just refresh it. Okay, see, it's look like this. Just there have star rating issue, I'm not sure why. And this icon, this image are not showing here. Let me review the image. This is the building image. This image I can update it again and let's check now. Yeah, okay. So I hope we can use uh, let's check the image first. Mark color should be like this. Update. Let's refresh again. And also we need to give more margin in the top. Refresh. Okay, and the section 1200. We need to increase the section width. Yeah, update. Okay, so I have the we can use the default star. The I think the SPC star icon have any problem, so you can use this Elementor star work. Now see there have dots. Dots are the primary color and something like rectangle navigation. So for designing the uh, dots, I hope we can use custom CSS because they have no sizing option like rectangle for Elementor settings. So we can first change the color. Now we can use some CSS. Okay, it's looking nice. Like select the dots. Okay, and see, this is the span. Let's cyber bullet height 5 pixel. Sorry, with 20 pixel. Border radius 0. Let's check now. I hope there are some border radius they use. So first uncheck this and check it from here. 24 border radius with 24 and height for. Okay, I don't know, with 24 border radius also 24 pixel. Just copy this code and select the carousel, go to custom CSS and put it here as selector space, then this code span dot swiper pagination bullet height width and border radius. Just click update. Okay, this section also done. You can close it. Now it's easy part, footer. Then we can wrap up the tutorial. Okay, 1 2 3 4, there are 4 columns. We can just use 4 column and okay, I can go here and copy the logo and paste here. Also copy paste and copy and paste and update the. Okay, so first section is something bigger than others, like 30%, 30 or 40%, and the others should be 40 20%. This and this are also 20%. Okay, and we can set a custom weight for this heading around 350. Okay, this is the icon list. I can use icon list, close. Let's download the icon. Okay, is busy, preview is okay, mail, and the other on should be phone. Okay, is busy upload phone main. Can just set the icon color transparent. Just duplicate it and update the content. Okay, we can use the dynamics color. There's the 14 pixel, and icon should be bigger, like 16. The gap, you can use the gap, use 15 pixel. Update. Let's check the padding, the section 36. Top should be 36, bottom should be 32. Okay. Now copy this. Sixteen medium, 16 medium, 1.5, and this is the, we can use the same list item here and just remove the icons. Okay, update the contents. Use the link here. I can just use hashtag. This on. Okay, update. Same way we can just copy paste here, copy and paste here, and update the content. Okay, I can just update the content, and now just use the copyright text. Just copy and paste it here, and it should be default center. Okay, and update. If there have some space in the bottom, 24 pixel, so keep 24 pixel bottom space. Now check the mobile responsive in the footer. This is already mobile responsive. Tablet is okay. Mobile also working perfect. So update. Or if you want, you can just make the center align for the footer content. Mobile responsive, okay. Make all center align. Now I can add some effect, motion effect, like fade in, fade in down, and fade in up. Okay, fade in up. Okay, these three works. Motion effect, it also fade in should be 300. 600. This is just for some interaction. If you don't like, you can skip the animation parts. No issue. Motion effect should be fading. Okay, let's refresh the page, and there are some animations we used here. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this long tutorial. So if you can stay with me and subscribe my channel, I will upload regular this type of videos, and I will upload many advanced WordPress tutorials and web design tutorials, so you can get lots of learning from this channel. So if you like this video, please comment below. So thank you, bye.